Every breath that I took tasted sweet, because I knew that I could have been dead, till a cicada in human skin waltzed its way to beside my bed. He soothed me with a smile, serenaded me with song. It took me such a while to realise this was wrong, until suddenly he burst out, exposing his pincers and teeth, leaving me scarred on the outside, completely dead underneath. 1 week later I left, but was afraid that he'd come back, feared that some other poor person would soon be under attack. I called the doctors up and they called the police. None of them believe there's a cicada underneath. You're doing this for money. You've been overcome with greed. How dare you call me that when I've got tiny mouths to feed? The influence he brings, the money he provides, why does that even matter? There's a cicada inside. And why would they believe us? The poor, the weak, the small. Don't you think if we'd speak up, he'd just deny it all?
One of the country's best-known broadcasters, Sir Jimmy Savile, has died at the age of 84. With a career that spanned 40 years, he was famous for his show...
This whole generation grew up on him. They love him with all their hearts. If we dare say anything, they'll tear us both apart. But then the cicada ceased to be, and the insect inside was found. We buried him, but not his secrets in an unmarked grave in the ground. But we provide the atmosphere on which these creatures thrive. We let them live among us, and so they will survive. And they'll be coming back someday. They'll rise again like fire, to take the world we handed them for their own sick desires. And we're subjected to cicadas, aided from the ones up top. Unless we show them they're not welcome, it will never stop.